While deciding to purchase a new computer, individuals often come face to face with the question of whether to get a Mac or a PC. Mac is based on Apple's very own Mac OS, which is often called OS X, while any computer system with a Windows interface is referred to as PC. Although you can install any of these operating systems on most devices, they often come pre-installed in their very own branded devices. As these systems vary greatly from one another in terms of design, user experience, and software package, the ultimate choice of selecting either one of these depends on what you are hoping to achieve from your computer. To make things easier for you, let's go through the dimensions of these computer systems, which hopefully will help you decide which platform you should settle upon.
Techfluencer delivers a complete buying guide for tech enthusiasts. Here, we try our best to make you pick the best PC components, laptops, and other tech gadgets with brief technical information, pros and cons, ratings, and recommendations. Our tech expert team tests, reviews, and benchmarks thousands of products to come up with the list of the best and latest products, along with recommendations for the viewers. To know what is the best choice for you, watch the full video and check the description for the purchase links.
Let's start off with the design and form factor of both of these systems. Whether you decide to buy a tablet, laptop, or desktop, you will have loads of possibilities in terms of screen size, port selection, resolution, visual aesthetics, and many more of the device you are getting to build or purchase. Desktop sizes can range from a mini PC to a full tower, and you can select between these for finding the form factor that suits you the best. Mac systems, however, are very limited in terms of design and form factor choice. Most Mac laptops, such as the MacBook Pro and MacBook Air, come in three size variants: 13, 15, and 16-inch. As for the other Mac systems, we have the all-in-ones and a handful of tablet sizes. In terms of design and form factor, your choices are limited to screen size, touchscreen support, and 2-in-1 capabilities. Though Mac devices are highly portable, clean, and pretty minimalist compared to a full-fledged PC, they look and feel premium and are designed to fit the status quo. Take the Mac Mini for example, a super compact mini PC that is loaded with performance upgrades. With that aside, let's talk about what powers these systems up and how many modifications can be done to them for further upgradability. At the very beginning, Macintosh systems used to have Motorola 68000 processors on them. Apple transitioned to Intel in the mid-2000s and later integrated their very own M1 chip in early 2021. M1 is considered a system on a chip and is very well capable in terms of processing power and graphical performance. PCs, however, have Intel or AMD chip integration on them, and these brands have a huge amount of processor selections to offer, running from budget options to outright performance chips. Besides that, PCs have lots of room for upgradability, starting from cooling solutions to components upgradability, while Mac systems are simple, straightforward, and rely heavily on accessories. The major difference between a Mac and a PC is their operating system. This is what sets them apart from one another. As mentioned earlier, Mac devices often use the Mac OS, while PCs have mostly Windows on them. Operating systems difference often result in these systems having different kinds of software for a similar set of tasks. Take video editing for example. Windows users often use Premiere Pro and After Effects, while Mac users often rely on Final Cut Pro. It is highly debatable on which one is better than the other, even though Mac softwares are known for their smooth functioning user interface. We live in a dynamic tech world where we are constantly switching between devices to jump from one activity to another. Also, working with external devices such as an external monitor, storage, or eGPU requires you to have certain types of ports and connectivity options. While choosing either PC or Mac, you need to keep in mind that your additional devices are compatible with either of the systems so that you don't face difficulty while working with them. So which one should you get? The choice completely depends on the types of tasks you will be performing on them. Mac is more creative friendly, feeds premium, and fits the status quo, while PC is for a broad range of activities such as gaming, executive, and stationary usage. If you are a content producer, creative artist, or want to fit the status quo without caring much about the price tag, then you should go for the Mac. And if you are a gamer or want a system that can be upgraded independently to fit your purpose, then PC is the best choice for you. So that was all about the PC versus Mac debate. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.